So hello guys, it is a day 3 of video making to improving our skill and communication with you. And if you literally want to improve your skill and communication and also your English, so connect with me and follow and subscribe. So this video is going to be the topic on the importance of English, why we need to learn, why we need to understand, why we need to read the English, and on to means on which place we need of the English, right? So in this video we are going to discuss about the what is the importance of the English, right? So first of all, I would like to tell you that the English is very important for us because if we are going to the outside, if we are talking with the a person who is coming from the outside, means from the abroad, so on there also we can understand from the all those people who is foreigner, and they know about only the English. They don't know about the Hindi and the other language. Means most of the people, means 90% people who is coming from the outside, so they would be known about the English, right? So that's why the English is important, means plays an important role for every and each and every, means the for all the persons. Because if suppose if you are going into the outside, so on that time, on also if you are talking with any kind of foreigner, so on that time you will have to talk with them. And if you want to talk, so you will have to talk into the English, then you will be able to speak, and then the communication will be very perfectly and very perfectly, and we can say the it can be a means impactful, right? And the importance of English, that if you are creating something, if you are doing something, and a work you are doing, so on that time also you need of the English, because the English is never comes in the one day. And also here is one thing is that the one language or one skill, we can say, not learn by the one day. It is a, it is not a single day game, it is a means lifestyle game. Means the in our life we continuously learn something and we improve our skill in the day one, means from the day one to one day, right? So that is the reason behind of it, that we need to learn the English, and these are the importance of the we can say the English. And if means the most of the people know and understand and think is that, means to learn English, it is very critical and we can't learn the English. But I would like to tell you, my dear, that if you want, if you are aware that if means in the world here is nothing is impossible, everything is possible if you will take it in easy way. If you will take it in difficult way, everything also the other work will look like difficult. But if you will take means let us talk about the English, that if you are taking it the easy way, so on that time it will look like easy, and gradually and immediately you will be able to speak, and you will be able to means speak in influently with everyone. And also you will be able to talk with each and everyone in the English, right? So if you want to learn the English, you will have to make the sentences, you will have to learn the vocabulary, you will have to improve your communication, you will have to improve your body language, your we can say your eye contact, and as well as you will have to practice in daily in the front of mirror, in the, if it is possible, so in front of the mobile, right? If you have, means as I am talking with you and I am making this video, for what, for improving my communication. I'm learning from the 2 years, because as I told you in the first video that I'm from the MP board and there was the Hindi syllabus, that's why I could not learn the English and I could not speak in English, right? But I thought that after 12th class, I definitely speak English, and from the 2 years, I'm doing the practice and I'm learning many more things. And nowadays, I'm in front of you all, that I'm making the video, and I also am doing the many kind of mistake. But this type of mistake will not be able to understand by me. But whatever a mistake I'm doing, you can tell to me in the comment that which kind of mistake, which kind of means mistake we can say is being done by me, right? So that is the reason behind of is that I am making also the making the video for improving my skills, and in the comment I will read your comment that a mistake I am doing, so how can I improve it, and in the next video I will not do it, means the continuously, and revise to my continue, I will not continue my mistake in the next video, right? So that is the reason behind of it. And also if you are curious, so also you can means you can take this example with your own life, and also you can make the video and in front of the mobile, in front of the camera, in front of the mirror. Also you can practice in the English, if you, even if you don't have your partner, if you means other person with whom you can talk, right? But if you have mobile, if you have mirror, so in front of mirror, in front of mobile, you can make the video, you can improve your skill, you can speak in front of mobile or mirror, and also you can speak in English, by which in the one topic, as I am in present, as I present in every day, that in the we can say speech, by which I continuously means think, and continuously I make the new words, imagine the new words, and I use, right? So that is the, there is a play, I mean, so there is a game of the thinking, that in the English, how many sentences, how many verbs are you be able to think, because English every person can speak, but only there is a one thing or critical thing comes, is that one situation comes, is that they is means while speaking they forget the verbs, due to which they means that they forget their speech, they for means also their means whatever they are saying, whatever they are speaking, so they forget. So that is the reason behind of it. So but if you want to literally improve these things, so you should make the video, and you should understand that which kind of mistake has been done by me in the video, in the previous video. So this was the importance of English, that you should and also you must speak English. And there will be the one day that also you will means also you would be spoken in English, and in the one day you will think that means I don't know how I began to speak in English. So always keep ready for every kind of things, every kind of situations, and learn the English and speak it fluently, and make your future better or brighter.